Good morning, everyone. Today we'll start the chapter number 4, Introduction to Layer. This is the practical of the layers property. So here we are taking one practical. So drawing the circle and the overlapping with each other. Select different tool options and the different color for each object. And also give the background color of the canvas window. Now first create the one circle. This one is the tool box, and here we are selecting the one circle. Click on the circle. When you click on the circle property will be open. Now draw the one circle. Now create new circle and overlapping on it. If you want to resize the circle, first click on the transform tool and then drag it. You can also move it. Select the green duck for the moving. Now here we are selecting gradient tool. Click on the gradient tool and drag in the first layer. We are not selecting second layer, just we are select first circle. When you selected it, automatically your gradient layer applied in your canvas window. Now next step is click on the file option, click on the panel and click on the params. First click on the file option, next step is the panels and click on the params. When you click on the param property will be open. You can see here the ZDAP, amount and blend method. The composite is the default method in the blend method in the Synfig Studio. Here we have to change it. Here we are selecting straight onto. Here we are selecting straight onto in the blend method. When you click on the straight onto, you can see the result. Okay. Now next step, you can see in the page number 59 in your textbook. Here we are selecting. Next step is file. Click on the layers. You can see in the layer properties. Is your layer property 169. When you click on that, one circle will be selected. The first circle will be selected, and when you click on the 170, second is selected. And the third one is the gradient effect. Already we have given in the page. Okay. Now next one, what is the step of that? दोनों के सेंटर में सेकेंड वाले को प्लेन करना है. So next step is select and down. Select this one and now you can see here circle 170 को plane करना है. So first we have select this and then click on the raise layer. When you click on the raise layer, automatically it will be plane. वो plane हो जाएगा. And next step is we have to create new circle. So click on the toolbox, select the circle tool, click on that and make new one. If you want to select this, click on the transform tool. Without transform tool, we cannot select anything. Now, want to fill in the third, यानी कि circle 171 में I have to fill the color. So what I'm doing, click, okay, click and the lower layer, so automatically color will be filled. Now again I have to plane the 171. Select. You can see. This is our practical we have done. Thank you all.